Now what I want to do is I actually want to change another setting or property, I guess it's called fill style. And what the fill style is it's basically the color of your font. And the font can actually be a pattern or a gradient, but for now I just want to make it a very basic solid color. And a cool color that I like is actually deep sky blue. I know it kind of sounds like, a hippie emo color, but I tend to like it even though I'm not, I don't think I'm a hippie emo. And the next thing I want to do is I actually want to change my stroke style. So context, stroke, style. And remember that I said that fill style was basically the font color. So it's the font solid color. Now the stroke style is basically the outline or the border color of the font. So for the stroke color, I want dark slate gray. And you can actually spell gray with an E or an A depending on if you're, British or American or whatever. So basically what we did is, aside from that little mistake, we basically referenced the canvas in the context and changed some properties of the context or the object we used to write on the canvas itself. So now that all the properties are set, let's actually go ahead and start drawing something, drawing some text. Well, in order to actually draw text on the canvas, what you do is you put context, and this already knows that you're working with this canvas because we referenced it right here. So any function that we use, like fill text, automatically gets written on our canvas. So fill text is a function that basically adds text on the canvas. Now it takes three parameters. The first parameter is what text do you want? Basically, what do you want it to say? And I'll just go ahead and write what smells like tuna. Now the second two parameters are the x and y position. So for the x position, which is left and right, let's just go ahead and put it at 30, and the y position is 200. So 30 pixels over, 200 pixels down. We want you to write what smells like tuna. So if I go ahead and run this in Launching Chrome right now, that is the JavaScript file, and right here is the HTML file. What smells like tuna, and what color did I choose? Oh yeah, deep sky blue. But now let me go ahead and add that stroke style or stroke text. And what this is going to do is it's going to add a border around this. So right now, as you can see, we have solid deep sky blue font. Now in order to add a border around this, this is what you do. I think I just repeated the same thing twice. It's easier if we just copy this, save it a little time because I'm a little bit lazy, and instead of fill text, just put stroke text. Stroke text. Now you can leave all the other parameters the same, and the stroke text is actually going to be this color right here. So if you save this and refresh it, check it out. This is deep sky blue, and the stroke is dark slate gray or whatever I did. So that is how you write basic text to the screen in HTML5. So for now, thank you guys for watching. In the next tutorial, don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to play with old Dan for a little bit, but come back. It's going to be awesome. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.